Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to make your reveal last longer than regular conventional batteries. First, what you're going to want to do is go on Amazon, pick you up an ammo crate, like $6. It all costs under $40, $40. Then you're going to pick up one of these Mighty Max batteries. They're about $27. And a charger. It's like $5. And next you're going to get an adapter for your reveal. Just a little cord, drill you a hole in your ammo box so your cord comes out like this, and then you'll plug it into the bottom of your reveal here. I'll show you more in depth here in just a second. First, what you're going to want to do is remove your batteries, your old batteries. Turn it off first. Remove these old batteries from your camera. Once you get your batteries out, you'll notice a little 12-volt plug-in. Make sure that you have a 12-volt battery. There's a little 12-volt plug-in right there. We'll put your battery pack back in. And you'll take your cord from your ammo box. Take your cord from your ammo box and plug it directly in the bottom here. This is very hard to do with one hand. Alright, make sure it's seated in there good. Just like that. Next, what you want to do is open your ammo crate back up. Take your leads, your hot and ground leads out. Place your battery in here. Take your hot lead. Place it on your hot. And your ground. On your ground there. Put your access back in. Close up your ammo crate. What I'm going to do is I'm going to strap my ammo crate to the side here and cover it up with leaves so it's not noticeable. And also with your cord, you don't want it, you want slack in it. Because if you don't have slack in it, if it rains, the rain will run right down in your cord and go through the hole in your ammo crate and onto your battery, which will ruin your battery. So leave a little loop right here. We call it a service loop. That way water will drip down instead of going into your ammo crate. Then you'll hit setup. You see we got full battery here. Just testing for cell phone signal. SD card is good. Takes a few minutes for it to find your service sometimes. There we go, it's found service. Then you'll just flip it on. Close it up. She's ready to go. And that's how you make your camera last longer than 2 weeks for under $50.